We have actually a presentation on the topic of the best way to be known in the world, or maybe in the society, or maybe in India as well, guys. I know something or the others can be spoken by you all. As usual, almost every day I say only one thing, that be a captivating speaker. Be an eloquent speaker, guys. You should have your own way of motivating people. Don't do, or even don't follow what I follow in my speaking actually, because it can be funnier on your personality. Like the way I speak, maybe it can look funnier actually on your personality. So you should have your own way of captivating people by speaking this topic. Let me ease a little bit this topic, everybody, that how to be known in our society, guys, or the best way to be known in our society, guys. There are two words, guys, to be famous and to be popular. When a person becomes popular, it is very temporary, guys. There was a person, her name was Ranu Mandal. She is from West Bengal, and there was a beautiful song, Teri Meri. That was a beautiful song, right? She became famous, even she was appointed on, at many reality shows. But now the condition of that woman is no more. She has been what she was. Exactly. She again has started begging actually. She became celebrity. So someone truly said that it is very easy to be famous, but it is tough to maintain that popularity, right? मशहूर होना बड़ा आसान है, लेकिन मशहूरियत को एक मेंटेन करके रखना बड़ा कठिन काम है, guys. So we will not talk about popularity. We'll talk about let's be immortal, guys. Come on, immortal means, of course, do you remember your ancestors? Not really. Even I myself forgot my grandfather's name, because he was born and he died with nothing. So maybe we will also die in future. Nobody will remember us because our achievements are not there. But if you have impact in this nation, in future, if we die, the people will remember us by our deeds. So what are the steps? What are the services? What are the deeds should we have for the people of this country or for the people of this world, so that people could remember us? So you can become popular by killing somebody, maybe. You can be popular by assassinating somebody. You can be popular by kidnapping somebody, but that popularity is not okay. Right? But yes, you should be killer of somebody that, can be appreciated. Let's suppose if a terrorist comes here, before he kills anybody, you kill him. That's a great thing. Like suppose a terrorist came in India, before he kills anybody, you have killed him. Then of course you will be appreciated for that, right? Yes. So becoming murderer is fine. Becoming a killer is fine. But depends who you are killing to, right? So I will be inviting you here on this stage. Please be a trainer today. Be an influencer today. Be a motivational speaker today. Talking and sharing steps to be famous or to be known in our society, guys. Yesterday, little bit I was making you use your body languages to grab the audience. So I want that, grabbing step so that you could really influence people. I don't want laziness. I don't want monotonous here being on the stage, everybody. Let me invite one by one. I would like to invite the first person of the day to be here with me and speak. And if you don't speak, then I will make you follow the shadowing one. So please do speak so that I could not disturb you. Let me invite who wants to come on the stage, guys. Come on. Nobody? My God, only one person is ready. Two person. Let's invite Mr. GK then. Please come and say.
Thank you very much, sir. Until and unless you stop thinking about to be the part of employees, you are not going to become the part of cosmopolitan and the people who are known by all around the world. Venerable Sir, and my dear people, the future of cosmopolitan people, good morning to all. My dear friends, before going to the elaboration of my topic, I want to ask you something.
Yeah.
Yes, really. That how many people of the world know you? Maybe your family members?
6 lakhs people know me, come on.
6 lakhs people?
To me.
There are 8 billion people, 9 billion people,
No,
and
you.
only 6 lakhs people are knowing you.
So sad, guys. So sad.
Maybe the members of your family, maybe the members of your society, maybe your villagers, or if you are a content creator, maybe your viewers.
No, you.
What after that? Nobody knows you. My friends, by scrutinizing these all things, tell me one more thing. Why people know you? That your name is Mr. Capser, that's why people know you? Your name is Revant or Karna, anything else, that's why people know you? Really?
No!
Never! People are never known by the name. People are always known by the respect, value, achievements, mindset, and the humanity and the deeds they do for the people.
Yeah, exactly.
Venerable Sir and my dear friends, dear ladies and gentlemen, often we misunderstand the concept of being cosmopolitan or known by all around the world. Often we think that how I can become cosmopolitan or famous in all around the world. I'm not from a rich family.
Of course.
I'm not the member of politician member.
Yeah.
I'm not affluent.
Yes.
Even I don't have that level of skills. And they are rich, they are politician, that's what people knowing. But this is our hallucination.
Yeah.
Remember,
Mark my words.
mark my words, Barack Obama,
Yeah.
Usain Bolt, the President of India, Draupadi Murmu,
Yeah.
the Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Damodar Das Modi, they themselves come from the underprivileged family, still they are more famous than us.
Beautiful, beautiful.
My dear friends, remember, mark my word, inculcate my words. Your situation never going to decide your destination. Your destination is always going to decide by the mindset you keep in your pocket, in your head, with yourself every time. My dear friends, remember one more thing. Coming to the conclusion of my statement and the topic, which is that how to know by the world.
Yes.
Yes, how to know by the
Be
world.
known by the world.
My friends, you will have to do something different. You will have to do that thing people can never do. You
Yeah,
will have
exactly.
to do that thing people could never do.
Exactly.
Do something impossible that people were thinking that this is not possible. You make that possible.
Exactly.
My friends, break all the histories, break all the records of the histories, break all the records, break the record of Usain Bolt, break the records of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He
Yes.
became Prime Minister 4 times. You dream to become Prime Minister 5 times, 6 times, 7 times.
Of course.
My dear friends, coming to the last point of my speech, eventually I want to opine among you all, there are millions of the ways to become cosmopolitan and famous and known to be all around the world. Just take one way.
What is that?
And just take one way, and that is your passion. Everybody has individual passion. Remember, you can think and scrutinize that the people who are known by the all around the world,
Yeah.
they never followed the way of job. They
Yeah.
always followed the passion. Even here, the capser has followed his passion.
Of course. Yes, exactly.
And you know what? When you follow your passion and you become cosmopolitan for yourself, people come to know you. People are keen to know you. People are enthusiastic. People are curious to know about you. Let people be curious to know about you.
My goodness.
Yes.
My goodness.
My friends, at the end, I want to say that follow your passion, dream to be what people can never become. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
The next one, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, Mr. Shahid, please come stage.
मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर लोग जुड़ते गए और कारवां बनता गया
वाह 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 वाह.
Hello, good morning everyone and ladies and gentlemen and the honorable teacher of this institution. Today I'm going to talk about a such topic that is going to be very informative if that video is being uploaded on the social media. Because the topic is very important, especially for the destitute people and who are not getting the fame and name in the society.
Yeah, beautiful.
This topic becomes very important for those people, those who are underprivileged. So before starting, just I would like to make you understand that what are the ways and in what ways the people are getting fame and name in the society. There are two ways through which the people are getting fame and name. The first one is that it is called the fugacious and the temporary and the momentary period. As sir has already mentioned about a woman name that she got fame, but it was for a momentary period and the fugacious period. But after a long time, we are not getting her videos. The similar thing is that we are not here for making that kind of personality. We have to make that kind of personality so people can remember after passing away from this world. Why Mahatma Gandhi is known to everyone? What is the reason behind that? Why Bhagat Singh is known to everyone? Have you ever wondered about those things? The reason is that he has done such a deeds that cannot be forgotten by everyone. This is the reason behind that. So, in today's era, there are two very common things. That's why the people are known to everyone. One thing is that money. If you have money, definitely you will be known to everyone. Because through the money, you can help the destitute people. Through the money, you can help the poor people. So that's why also you will be known to those people as well. If I talk about the politicians, definitely they are known to the other persons as well. Because they have the power. So money and power, these are the common things. But what about those people, those who don't have both things? What are the ways they can get fame and name in the society?
Yeah.
So there could be multiple ways. You'll have to be an exceptional person in your locality. You'll have to solve the problems you'll have to solve the problems of your own locality. You'll have to do something unique through which everyone can know you.
Exactly,
easily.
exactly.
If I talk about the Elon Musk, why he is known to everyone? He has made a plan to go out of this world. He wants to make a platform in the satellite as well.
Exactly.
Recently, he has made a company that is called the Terra 5. And if to run the Terra 5, there is a requirement of the large amount of energy. And the amount that is required to run this country, that is not sufficient. So that's why he wants to take the energy from the sun and he wants to make a big company on the satellite, on the space as well.
My goodness.
It means that he wants to do something very different. It will take much time. He doesn't care that whether I will be living after 50 years or not. But he has told that it will take 50 years. But there is no security that whether he is going to live in this world or not. But he wants to make a milestone that whenever I will be passing from this world, so I should be known and I will be known to everyone. So people can remember me forever. This is the reason for that. It means that another example is that why Sachin Tendulkar is known to everyone. Because he has done an exceptional thing in the history.
Yeah.
He is called the god of cricket.
Yeah.
It means that also we need to do something that should be very exceptional. That's why I can be known easily to everyone.
Beautiful.
Sport is a very good thing. If someone wants to be teacher, definitely he can. He can do very great thing by becoming a great scholar. If I talk about the Kaivsar, why we have come from Bihar here? Just to learn the English language, right? There are multiple institutions in this world.
Yeah.
There are multiple institutions in India, but still we have chosen well-taught institution. What is the reason behind that? It means there is some speciality in this institution.
Of course,
that's why.
Yes.
So because of the speciality, because of the milestone, because of the good educations, we have come from there to here.
Yes.
That is the reason.
Yes.
It means that if you really want to do something different in our own locality, then we can easily get fame and a name, both things. That's all about, sir.
Very nice, very nice. Shahid, I really love to see you while speaking, right? You know, the way you talk, it's really marvelous.
Thank you, sir.
But I like to tell you one thing. be faster when something is surprisingly.
Okay, sir. It means that I will have to make the facial expression as well.
No, that's fine. Your facial expression is fine. There are three things to be followed when you are telling something that is very informative.
Okay, sir.
You have to have balanced voice,
Okay.
right? I mean, you have to be slower. But the moment you become surprised, then you have to be faster, right? And when you are telling something which is emotional, then suppress the voice.
Okay, sir.
You know? So from the next time, please do
Okay,
hear
sir.
that.
Next
right?
time
Take care. All right. The next one. Is there anybody who would like to come here? Mr. Tehseen Bhai, please come on the stage.
हालांकि ये बर वक्त कहानी नहीं लिखती तारीख मगर खून को पानी नहीं
अये
लिखती
है।
मैं इसलिए जिंदा हूं कि मैं बोल रहा हूं दुनिया किसी गूंगे की कहानी नहीं लिखती
Oh my God! Please, once again, replay.
हालांकि ये बर वक्त कहानी नहीं लिखती तारीख मगर खून को पानी नहीं लिखती मैं इसलिए जिंदा हूं कि मैं बोल रहा हूं दुनिया किसी गूंगे की कहानी नहीं लिखती
My goodness.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन
Good morning.
Today I am very glad to get this opportunity.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. And thank you, all of you.
Yes.
I want to ask some question to all of you. Just answer yes or no.
Of course, we will.
What? I am giving some names. If they are famous, say yes. If they are not famous, say no.
Of course.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Yes.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Yes.
Raja Ram Mohan Rai.
Yes.
Sir Syed Ahmad.
Yes.
Ramu.
No. नहीं राम जी
रामू।
अच्छा रामू कॉमन पर्सन
Common person.
नो
Himanshu.
yes
Any other Himanshu?
of course
From the street.
no
Why the people whom I asked in the starting, they are famous? You know the reason?
because
Because they never focused on to be famous. They focused on the solving the problem of the society.
yeah
Raja Ram Mohan Rai is known as the father of the Indian Renaissance because he introduced this term.
Zabardast.
He introduced this term when the education is demolished in India. He worked so much. He started work to stop the Sati Pratha.
yes
And in the society, when you try to solve the problem of the society will criticize you. If you
My
want to be
goodness.
famous, if you want to be famous, if you want to be known, first of all, ready to be criticized.
बहुत अच्छी
First of all, ready to be get out. First of all, ready to be kicked.
yes my goodness
Your family kicked you. Your society kicked you. Your brother kicked you. As Raja Ram Mohan Rai was kicked. After that, you will be famous.
yes get ready
Sir Syed Ahmad, the father of Aligarh Muslim University.
Yes.
When he founded this university, when he started work to found this university, everyone criticized him.
yeah
Even his own community, Muslim community, gave him thousands of fatwa.
yes
Everyone knows.
yeah
But he never stopped.
Yes.
He said science is not other than religious study. Science and religious study both are two hands of the human being. You should keep Quran in this hand and you should keep science this hand, and after that you will be complete.
yes wow
And now we all recognized him. He is the well-known person of not only on India, in this world.
Yeah.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, when he fought against the brutal system of this India,
Yeah.
when he tried to get into the school, his teacher kicked him.
my goodness
His mates kicked him.
yes
He didn't get a water from that place. He had to sit outside of the class. But he recognized, he scrutinized the problem of his society and he fought against him. And after that, he became the father of the constitution.
my goodness
So,
wow
I want to say you, if you want to be well known, if you want to be famous, first of all, go to your society, scrutinize the problem of your society, and then not just start to work for him. First and after that, make yourself to be solved. If you are not capable to be solved, you can't solve it. First of all, make yourself capable to be solved it, and then work it on it like Raja Ram Mohan Rai, like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, like Sir Syed Ahmad, like B.R. Ambedkar, and after that you will be definitely well known.
Yeah.
That's all.
Wow, Tehseen bhai. My goodness. You know, this cheek used to shiver. Hey, did you notice earlier when he used to speak, it used to like move. But today, wow.
No?
It's not shivering, buddy. How can I be like you, buddy? I mean,
You are better than me, sir.
I mean, you really, buddy, I'm so
You are
proud
the
of you
best.
today.
Because I am the student of you.
Great level of enthusiasm today.
Thank you, sir.
Continue like this. I'm so proud of you today. Please, come on, everybody. Tehseen was really monotonous guy. He was, I think, lethargic one. See this aura, come on. He has become like, roasted ganji kind of. I mean, energetic kind of. Let's invite the next person. Excuse me, come on. Excuse me. Yeah. Let's invite Mr. Dhananjay. From?
From Murshidabad, sir.
From Murshidabad? Oh, it is in West Bengal? Yes. Do you know Dum Dum? Dum Dum?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, where is Dum Dum?
In Calcutta.
In Calcutta? Okay, fine. Show the power of...
Okay. So thank you so much, sir, for giving me this beautiful opportunity to say something in front of these peoples. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. How are you all? You have to be fantastic.
Yeah, we
Because
are.
you are the few, you are the to be famous person. You have to be a famous person.
You have to be famous person.
You have to be famous persons in future. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Dhananjay from West Bengal, and today I am going to talk about how to become famous person. To be known, you have to know the people. I know that everybody wants to, who doesn't want to become excel in their life? Who doesn't want to become famous in their life? I know that everybody wants to become.
Of course, come on.
Everybody wants to become. But I would like to say one thing, that to become famous person, to be famous person, you have to have guts. You have to have consistency. If you don't have this kind of things, it means you have nothing.
Of course.
And sharp quotes. If you don't have this kind of things, these things will help you to become famous persons. There was a beautiful words which was spoken by Ronaldo. When Ronaldo was asked that people wants to become like you,
People want
Ronaldo says that if you want to be like me, so why you are following me? I am 10%. Is it enough for you? You have to be 100% than Ronaldo. You have to be 100%. Why 10%? Why you are just? I have noticed one thing. I have seen so many students, people saying these words like, I can't be like, Elon Musk. Why? He was born, same process, buddy. He was born to, if I tell you, you were born to win, not defeated from others. You have same quality, same, you are also human being, he is also human being. So why you are thinking that I can't become like that? If he can do that, if you can too, you can do too.
Of course, बहुत अच्छा. Very nice, very nice.
You can do it. Just believe in yourself. I know that you have to be self-assured, because if you are believing yourself, it means you are going to do something unique.
Of course.
You have to think different than others. I know that sometimes you will get, so many, dogs, barking dogs. They will try to bite you. They will make you confused. They will pull your legs to skid off from in your roots. But you have to you have to be calm down at the times. You have to
My
make them
goodness.
prove that you are wrong, I am right. You have to food giver of them. You have to be food giver of them. Because they are working is whether they are finding foods. Foods.
My goodness! Wow,
I know
Dhananjay!
that. At the last of times, just you have to give them some foods. When you will get success, at the times they will clap for you. It will happen. I know that I noticed one thing. So when I went to the park yesterday, to be swear by God, it is real story. Some girls who were singing, at the times there's some boy who were flattering them. So just that's why I gave you this example, They are, they are unable to understand. In future, maybe that girl would be a good singer.
Of course. Oh, yes.
So avoid them. If you are, they are giving you, actually, they are not giving you any, they are giving you listen
They make you.
to improve yourself.
Oh.
Sometimes a bad person is not a bad person. They are a good person. Because if you are nothing, so they are trying to do something new. If you are being insulted by someone, it means you are, they are making you understand that do something unique, that you have to make me wrong. And after getting success, you have to make them wrong. Yes. So that's all about me, guys. You have been a great.
Wow, fantastic. Now, আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি. Really?
Thank you so much.
Why? Thank you. You should say two, na?
আমিও তোমাকে ভালোবাসি.
আমিও তোমাকে ভালোবাসি, right?
Yes.
আমিও means?
আমিও means I am
I also.
I also.
Thank you so much. What a great philosophy, buddy, you have now.
No, actually, sir, कल जब मैंने वो पार किया था, तो ये लड़की गा रहा, सिंगिंग कर रहा था, लेकिन
Hey, you know Hindi?
हिंदी भी जानता हूँ.
Wow, very nice. Please. हिंदी जानते हो? Come on. लड़की गा रहा था?
वो लड़की वो गा रहा था वहाँ पर.
लड़की गा रहा था?
गा रही थी.
हाँ.
लड़की गा रही थी वहाँ पर पार्क में. तब मैंने नोटिस किया कुछ लड़कों ने उसको डिस्टर्ब कर रहा था.
कर रही थी?
कर रहा था.
अच्छा लड़का.
वो अनेकों
हाँ,
था.
of course, yes.
बहुत सारा लड़का था वहाँ. वो डिस्टर्ब कर रहा था. तो मैंने नोटिस किया तो वो लड़की क्या वो चुप हो गई गाते गाते. चुप हो गई थी मतलब कि स्लो. तो मैंने एक बात बोलना चाहता हूँ हिंदी में इंग्लिश में ही बोल देता हूँ.
बिल्कुल बोल दीजिए आप.
So I would like to insist all girls, all my sisters, that you have to be. I'm not saying that you don't have to become a doctor, engineer, whatever you want to become. Nobody is stopping you.
Yeah.
But you have to be, like Jhansi Rani. You have to pick up weapons on your hands because these weapons will help you to protect yourself. Because I know according to situation, you have to change your facial experience. Like Kali Mata.
Oh, yes.
But sometimes when she will pick up this khada means
of
it
course,
is
yeah,
called
yeah,
khada.
exactly.
That times many asur.
खून चूस लो कसम से.
You have to show that roof,
Of
like
course.
that facial experience. Boy, that type of boy should be, afraid from your
My
side.
goodness.
So that's.
I want to be girl and marry with you now. You are really great, buddy.
Actually, sir, I have noticed. सच में दिल से बुरा लगा था कल मेरे को वो जो देखा था.
I can
ये
feel
ऐसा
that.
भी ये होता है. कुछ कर रहा है उसको करने दो यार. क्या तुम लोगों को भी. ओके सर.
वैसे हमें भी बुरा लगता है. हेलो. वैसे हमें भी बुरा लगता है जब आपको बुलाते हैं आप नहीं आते हैं, जब आप नहीं बोलते हैं. यहाँ सब बोलते हैं लेकिन आप नहीं बोलते. बहुत बुरा लगता है. लेकिन आज बहुत अच्छा लगा. हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. अगर चाहते हैं कैट सर को अच्छा लगे तो आप खूब बोलो जैसे आज बोलियो. सल्यूट यू मैन. Yeah, the next person, everybody. Let's welcome Pareshant. This person. Oh. And those who are going again and again washrooms for drinking water outside, you can go when a speaker has ended up after his speech, right? While delivering a speech, you are saying, it really disturbs a speaker. Now you can go. Hi, Prashant.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm good, sir. About you?
I'm-
I did not disturb anyone. I did not do
No,
anything.
no, he was doing like this, and so many people already have gone like namaz is during the speech he was indicating, right? You don't do that. I know that. Listen to Prashant, guys. He is actually agriculture minister of 2035.
Yeah, I will be
Yeah, so
agriculture minister. That would be a great job to do. Okay,
hurry. Huh? Come on.
first time. Okay, don't work to be known. Work to be made to be known.
Wait. Go again.
Don't work to be known.
Yeah. No.
Work to be made to be known.
To made to be. Oh
Work to
my
be made
God!
to be known.
My goodness. Who made it?
I made it. sir.
My goodness. That's why it was
I
difficult
did
to be understood. Come on. Exactly. Please.
Okay, so good morning everyone. Good morning, sir. Today I'm gonna say like there are so many people who are really famous.
Yes.
Why? Because of their work ethic.
Yes.
And we know one famous teacher, Anand sir. Why
Yeah.
he is famous? Because of his work ethic. What he did, he helped unprivileged students. He taught so many
Oh,
students.
Super 30, right?
Yes, Anand
exactly.
sir. He's a mathematician.
Yeah.
He's known for his work ethic. He did
Yeah.
not have so many opportunities. He did not have resources. But still, he taught thousands of students, unprivileged students, and he became famous. So, solving the problem of the society and the people, you can become famous. This is the best way to be known in the world. There are so many famous people. Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, like you all give the example. Why they are famous? Because of their work ethic. Because of their innovation, creativity. Pablo Picasso, he's the world greatest artist. Because of his creativity. We can become, if we can solve the problem of common people, what they are facing, we can really become famous. We can be known all over the world.
Right.
So, how can we become? We are not famous. We are not known in the world. No one knows us. Only you guys know us. We are famous amongst ourselves, right? No one knows outside the world talk. How can we be famous? How can we be famous in India? If you are famous in India, you can be famous all over the world.
Of course. Right.
So there are so many problems, challenges that we are facing nowadays in India. The first problem is air pollution.
Oh my goodness.
If we as an Indian can solve the problem of air pollution,
Yeah.
we can really be famous.
Yeah.
You can see the air quality index.
Yeah.
It's really high. It's dangerous. Due to that, thousands of people, millions of people dying every day because of the failure of the lung, cancer.
Yeah.
So if we can solve this problem, we can be famous.
Of course.
And the second major issue is cleanliness.
Oh.
We are mocked, ridiculed, looked down. The foreigners, they ridicule us. Why? Because we are not educated. We think if my house is clean, everything is clean. No, we have to change that mindset.
Of course.
We have to make India clean. And if we can solve this problem, we can be famous. Someone will say, oh, that person solved the problem of
Exactly,
India.
yeah.
He improved the air quality index. We can be famous. And that is the best. This is the best time to be known in India. No one has invented any device, anything to be known.
Wow, you are
And
great
the
message.
third problem is poverty. Those unprivileged people, destitute people, they do not have eat. They scavenge in the dustbin for the food. Some beggars, they scavenge in the food, dustbin for the food. If we can solve, we have enough food, but they do not get, some people do not get to eat. They sleep empty stomach. And if we can create a job, if we can create a company where we can employ those poor people, if we can solve this poverty issue in India, we can be famous. We will be remembered in a history. Our name will be indelible in a history book. So these are the problems that we have to solve to become famous. Once we are famous in India, we can be famous all over the world. And I would like to share one thing here. The mentality. We have to change the mindset. Weak people, notice other people's mistake
Oh.
and laugh. Strong people notice other people's mistake and learn.
Ah.
Weak people talk about other people's problem to feel better.
Oh, oh.
Strong people talk about other people's problems to get better.
अरे वाह.
Weak people gossip about others to feel better, to build a fake connection.
Right, right.
Strong people gossip about others. Strong people express their vulnerability to build a real connection.
Yeah, yeah.
Weak people envy those who are ahead of them. Strong people study those who are ahead of them.
Aye.
So both are looking at the same things, but seeing with different perspective. It's all about perspective. We have to change. We can solve the problem of India that we are facing. Just we need to change the perspective
Yeah.
and become famous. Thank you so much, everyone.
Very nice. Sir. How philosophical you are. Exactly, he became today. But I would like to ask you, the tip that you share for AQI, we require a team actually for that, right?
Yes, we need ambition.
Ambition. How can we just take this step, right? Let's imagine we have to make Lucknow quite good. So how should we do that?
Sir, first we have to solve the problem like dust issue.
Okay.
Everywhere when the wind is blowing a little faster, we can see the dust is flying everywhere. That is the main issue.
Okay.
And we have to think that it's our problem, it's our issue. We have to take accountability. And then we can solve the problem.
Right,
First,
right.
when the construction is going on, it is not, covered.
Covered.
It's open.
Yeah.
So the cement, dust, it's just
It starts
fly
to-
all over.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's the main issue. And we have to take the
But this
accountability.
thing cannot be done individually.
Yes, we all have to take this.
We all have to take it.
Like accountability. We all have to come together to solve this issue.
Thank you so much. Very nice, Prashant.
Thank you so much, sir.
बहुत अच्छा. Miss Chandni on the stage.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to talk about the best way to know yourself in the world. So, I want to tell, don't be silent.
Don't be silent.
Yeah, don't be silent. Likewise, if you will be in silence mood, no one will be asked about you. Be talkative.
Be talkative, yes.
Yeah, and don't give up, never give up. Sometimes what happens that when we fail somewhere, then we think about, I can't do it. I can't do it. So don't think about this. Do
My goodness,
because
yes.
you can do.
Yes.
And
Of course.
see your inner beauty.
Yes.
Because what you have, I think,
Nobody has.
yeah, nobody has.
Yes.
We only thought about
We
in
only-
front of our person. We never seen that what we have.
बहुत अच्छा.
First of all, we should thought about ourselves.
We should think about
We
ourselves.
should think about ourselves.
Yeah.
We can just think one thing. We can do. I can do whatever no can do. No one person can do.
Yes.
And always try new experience. Don't copy anyone person.
Yes, yes.
Do new things so that another person will copy you.
Oh, can copy you, yeah.
Yeah, and it's we should do personal growth.
We should focus on
We
personal
should
growth.
focus personal growth.
Yeah.
It's very important for us. I think that's it. That's it. Thank you for listening me.
It is not that it. It is starting now.
No, sir.
The khara that you have written. देखें ऐसे करें.
Sir, I
तुम
just
ढेर सारी
write
बातें
point.
लिखी. तो आप ऐसे मत देखा करो.
Sometimes.
So I would like to talk about. देखो दिख गया ये.
Yes, sir.
Of course.
Sir.
ये चालाकी होती है.
One.
इसमें लिखा करो. ये और अच्छा रहेगा. So yeah, my Second point I would like to tell you. पता नहीं चलेगा. ले तेरी guys.
Sorry, sir.
हाँ, yes.
Sir, I write first. I wrote first time. That's why I unable to.
Do like this, look at one, right? चलिए फिर से बोलिए, लेकिन थोड़ा कैप्टिवेटिव बनिए, थोड़ा लुभाऊ बनिए. या चलो फ्लेक्सिबल बनो एकदम से प्रियंका चोपड़ा की तरह. Yeah, my friends, I'm going to talk about how to be famous.
Yes, I am going to talk about how to be famous. Accept your feedback.
Aye hey.
Sometimes our parents.
Sometimes.
Sometimes
Yes.
our parents and our teacher told us our mistake, but
Yeah.
what we did, we never want to listen them.
Yes.
Because we thought we are the good. I am good.
Yeah.
Why I should listen?
Why I should listen? Yes.
I should listen them.
Yes.
But listen, because if you will listen them, you will be grow in your life.
Yes. बहुत अच्छे.
That's it, sir.
Very nice, very nice. और सुनो, आप बहुत अच्छा बोल रही हैं. देखो ना, कुछ लोगों की अपनी एक काबिलियत होती है. थोड़ा कभी-कभी मटक जाया करो. आप पे थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा, थोड़ा फनी लगे, लोग हंसेंगे. अच्छा स्पीकर, आप हिलेरियस स्पीकर बन जाओगे. जैसे आपने बोला टीचर ऑलवेज टेल अस आवर मिस्टेक्स बट यू डोंट फॉलो. ऐसे बन जाओ थोड़ा सा, लोग थोड़ा बहुत हंस देंगे कि वाह चांदनी अच्छा बोल रही है. अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? चलिए बोलिए बाय गाइस, कम ऑन. Yeah. Let's welcome the next one. Excuse me. Yeah, Om.
Do not change fame. Do not chase fame, chase excellence, and fame will follow you.
Yeah, बहुत अच्छे.
I want to say another sari. Can you?
Why not? You have article 9.
चंद गज की सहरियत किस काम की? चंद गज की सहरियत किस काम की? जब उड़ना आता है तो छत किस काम की? जब चेहरा बदलने का है शौक आपको, तो फिर आपकी असलियत किस काम की?
Is it yours?
Yeah, I write some from somewhere. I write.
I wrote or I read somewhere.
I read and I write daily sari for
One shairi.
Yeah, in my
Yeah, you
notebook.
should write one article every day.
Yeah.
You can become. No problem.
Okay. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am here. I want to present my thoughts how to become a famous person in our society. So just I want to say, you know guys, whenever we go somewhere as like any party, any event, there are two types of decoration. One is special guest, one for normal people. Why? Have you ever thought about this? Why this made for special guest, made for this normal people? Because in this society, society wants to give respect for special people, because they did very hard work in his previous time, because they sacrificed many problems, they sacrificed many troubles in his life. That's why our peoples, governments all over the world give respect for that people.
Yes.
And I want to say guys, if you want to become a normal person, go one time and travel the general coach of train. You will realize the value of money. If you want to realize the famous person, go visit and in aeroplane business class, what is the meaning of money? You will realize what is the value of money and what is the meaning of the famous person. I want to share one story guys. When I was traveling from my city to home, that time the Diwali festival was celebrating by the people and us, and I had to go from city to my village, and that time ticket was not available. And if you want to take ticket, you have to book premium Tatkal.
My
The
goodness.
ticket price was very expensive, means 4,000, 5,000. And that time I didn't have a money. Then I had to decide I will go by general coach.
Okay.
That day I faced so many problems. You can't imagine what is the condition of general
I mean,
coach.
people face problem because of you.
No, sir.
Achha, you face problem.
Yeah, by the people. You can't imagine the rush of general coach. People were sitting one people upon one people. Yes, yes, I am saying really.
Yes, I know that. I have also have
Yeah.
traveled, right? Yeah.
That day I feel I have to do something in our life.
My goodness, in my life.
In my life.
Of course.
If I want to become like this people, means my whole journey will like this. I will always travel in general coach. That day I decide I will do different in my life because I want to travel in AC coach, in first coach in my life. So guys, I want to say, please do hard work. Nobody will ask to you, how are you, if you are a normal person. Nobody asks you, what are you doing in your life. If you are a very famous person, everybody asks you, how are you and what do you want. So just please do hard work because nobody will remember you if you didn't achieve in your life. So just I want to say one more thing. If you went anywhere, people give respect by your position, by your money. Don't give respect to you are a human, your name is this. People give respect as you have done something for our society, you have done for our government, you have done for our nation. Why people salute for our soldiers? Why? They are doing job for our country. They are giving whole life for our country. That's why we give respect our army person or our policeman because they are sacrificing whole day. They are giving duty whole day for our country, for our nation.
Right.
And if we talk about why we give respect for our as like politician, because they are also contributing for our country. They are also sacrificing for our country. So in the last, I want to say, do hard work and become famous person. Otherwise, nobody will ask you, how are you? That's why.
वाह यार, बहुत अच्छा। यार जबरदस्त। लगता है ठंडा ही पी कर आए हैं आप।
Sir, you have given this types of.
Oh no, I didn't do anything, Bari. Please have a seat.
Because your thoughts, आप जो बोलते हो वो दिल में लग जाता है.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Really?
Thank you so much for giving.
हाँ, you may go. I'll see you tomorrow. See you. Guys, once I was traveling in a general coach. No, listen to me carefully, guys. A mother was standing there, and there were two sons, and the sons were like me only, right? They said कि भैया थोड़ा माता जी को बैठने दो, and they said नहीं यार मैं बैठा हूँ कैसे? My God, really मैं कहा कि भाई अगर मेरी अम्मी यहीं पे होती और ऐसे मैं खड़ा रहता अपनी माँ को लेकर, मैं तो ऐसे देखकर ही शर्म से मर जाता। अब वो बच्चे की भी गलती नहीं है, वो गुर्बत में जी रहे हैं, वो गरीबी में जी रहे हैं, करे तो करे क्या, वो धक्का खा रहे बेचारे। तो आप सबसे जो वीडियो चल रही है भैया, आप लोग से अदबन गुजारिश है, विनम्र निवेदन है कि आपकी माँ कहीं धक्का ना खाने पाए। एक बड़ी अच्छी लाइन है कैफ सर की, आई रिस्पेक्ट हिम सो मच, कि इंसान हारता नहीं है, उसे हराया जाता है। इंसान हारता नहीं है, उसे हराया जाता है। तुम गरीब हो, तुम गुर्बत में हो, बस यही कहकर आपको डराया जाता है। सो प्लीज आप लोग से विनम्र निवेदन है कि आपकी माता जी कहीं पर धक्का ना खाएं। ऐसे धक्का खाने से पहले तो मैं कह रहा हूं मर जाओ खुद यार, मेहनत करो, लग्जरियस लाइफ दो अपनी माँ को, राइट? है लोकल कोच ठीक है, लेबर्स के लिए कभी कभी हम लोगों को भी जाना पड़ जाता है, मजबूरी में चलता है, क्या दिक्कत है। बट हमेशा माँ को धक्का देकर ऑटो में भर दो, बस में भर दो, ट्रेन में भर दो। तो क्या ज़िंदगी यार, बढ़िया से बॉडी वॉडी बनाए हो, मेहनत करो। मेरे गांव में सच में देखता हूँ मतलब 35 साल 40 साल के बॉडी बनाए हुए, और माँ बेचारी भीख मांग रही है, माँ बेचारी इधर उधर घूम रही है, दवा के लिए पैसा नहीं है। शर्म आनी चाहिए ऐसी जमानी पर यार। मैं करो जाओ नाला साफ करो यार, कुछ भी करो, एटलीस्ट घर पे बहनें और माताएं तो खुश रहें, लेकिन नहीं हो पाता। नेक्स्ट पर्सन, एक्सक्यूज मी, लेट्स वेलकम डॉक्टर आदरणीय और कुछ बड़े सम्मानीय एंड ऑफ कोर्स सदर मुदर्रिस मिस्टर यस अनुज के सामने अरशद। आई लव योर करकराहट।
Prashant bhai want entertainment, sir. So that's why he again.
You are CCTV camera of Himanshu.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
He always informs me whatever you do. So please be careful. He tells everything to me.
I have so many things of him also, sir.
But you never tell me. But he tells me always.
Don't rely. Don't tell.
Come on. फिर कर आ रही है।
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good
Yeah,
morning, sir.
good morning.
Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself and sharing my thoughts. So, ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to talk about how to know people. Yes, sir. This is
पहली से तो इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ नहीं, इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ।
introduce myself.
तो वहाँ नहीं, बस ऐसे ही हो जाएगा। फिर से बोलिए। टुडे आई एम स्टैंडिंग हियर टू इंट्रोड्यूस माई
So,
सेल्फ।
ladies and gentlemen, today I am standing here for giving my
टू इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ।
to introduce myself. To introduce myself.
यस यस।
So, how we famous? How we
can become famous?
how we can become famous? Yesterday I watched a video. Sir Isaac Newton.
हाँ?
A story of Sir Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton.
ओ
Scientist Isaac Newton.
अरे मैं कहा सागंज लूटो, ये सागंज लूटो क्या आ गया?
Sir Isaac Newton.
एक एरिया उसका नाम है साहगंज, और लूटो बोले तो लूटो, तो मुझे लग रहा है साहगंज लूटो। जौनपुर में है ना साहगंज लूटो।
Okay, Sir Isaac Newton. When I read his story,
हिस्टोरी
history,
हिस्ट्री।
I told a
अच्छा
story.
थोड़ा बीच में स्पेस रखो। हिज स्टोरी, ये बोला। When I read his story,
When I read his story,
हाँ, हल्का सा पॉज।
yes, he was sitting under the apple tree. Apple tree.
Fine.
When apple fell in front of him. After that, he was observing
हाँ,
why it fall down.
white fell down,
Why it fell down.
down.
And he researched about this and he discovered the law, Newton's law. And अगर वो एप्पल हिमांशु भाई के सामने पड़ता
What? हाँ?
तो भाई वो ऑब्जर्व यही करता कि कैसे खाऊं मैं. But the man was different, so that's why he created history.
सही बात है।
Sir, sound entertainment.
आपके सामने गिरता तो खा जाते हैं। हाँ, ये गुड इन्फॉर्मेशन।
Yes, sir. I'm forgetting. yaar. So, be serious. Ladies
Yeah,
and
come on,
gentlemen.
come on.
So, how we can become famous? Yes, we have to do unique, something unique. We have to do something unique, like cheese sports, cheese play. You know, always know that. No, everybody know that cheese play. Oh,
Cheese?
sir, chess.
Chase!
Yes.
Cheese play? Chase! Chase!
Chess.
Yes. He is speaking forcefully like that. Chase!
Chess.
Yeah,
Yes.
cheese play. कभी सुनते नहीं हो क्या? शैडोइंग किया करो. शैडोइंग पता है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. कभी चेस नहीं सुने किसी को बोलते हुए. हाँ, लोग बोलते हैं चेस चेस चेस, राइट? चलो बोलो चेस.
Chess. Already a person champion in the world. Already. But one boy, he thought, but there is no person youngest champion in the world.
Oh.
And he thought, I will become youngest champion in the world.
Yes, yes.
And the Gukesh Dommorazu. Now he is the youngest chess champion in the world. And I am also thinking, I also do something unique.
Hey.
Yes, from since morning. Yes, when they motivated me.
Since morning you have started thinking
Yes,
that
sir.
one day you will become champion.
Yes, sir.
And are you young?
No,
I will be the
no,
youngest
sir.
champion.
I will do that thing who
Has never done.
has never done. Yes. I thought that that topic. Where is the use of a plus b whole square and sin theta cos theta?
It has you. Why not?
Anyone is there who bought 1 kg banana, 1 kg apple by using a plus b whole square?
1 kg banana? Oh, no.
Yes, sir.
No, we don't use, yeah.
Yes. I am thinking.
But we
this.
use. Of course.
No. A plus b whole square. Why are using?
You will know after some time, yeah. Hurry up, hurry. Yes.
Okay.
It
Thank
has.
you, ladies and gentlemen. Sir. Next time I will do better, sir. Please.
You said that you will become a person and do a thing which nobody has done, right? And you will do operation by watching YouTube videos. Once he told that I am a doctor and I am going to do operation by watching videos of YouTube channel.
That
And
day,
he did it.
sir. That day I was not attending class. So how can I do
In practical
this?
of, in well talk, you did operation by
Yes.
watching, and he also cut something
Yes, sir. That day I did operation.
by watching video.
Sir, that operation
Was successful or not?
was successful, but that day I was not in attendant in class, so that's why I was
Video.
YouTube.
My
and-
goodness.
And done operation.
It was successful.
Yes. Sir. Now patient is sitting is there.
Who is this patient?
Asim
Yeah, patient was there.
Asim bhai. Yeah.
Finally, he is safe, right?
He was patient.
Yeah. Exactly. Thank you so much. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir, giving me this wonderful opportunity. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Today I am going to talk about how to become a famous in society.
Talk. I'm going to talk about.
I am going to talk about.
TikTok, talk, yeah.
So, how to become a famous in society?
Yes.
To be famous is not speaking loudly.
Oh.
To be famous is not to speaking loudly. In reality,
Wait, we speak here loudly, okay?
Yeah.
You're targeting us?
Oh, no, sir.
We always speak here louder.
No, sir. I'm sir coming, okay?
Come on.
To be famous is not speaking loudly. In reality, those who speak loudest are often most noticed. You are getting? The person who is speaking loudly, it doesn't matter. It is not matter. If you are speaking, the way you speak, nobody can speak like you.
Right?
The way you are speaking, nobody's fathers speak like you. Yes, guys.
Oh, right.
The way you are moving your waist, nobody can move like you. Yes. Everybody is speaking in society. They are saying that I am doing work for society. You don't know you are losing your respect. If you are losing your respect, so how can you become famous?
Of course. Yes.
If you want to become famous, so you don't need to praise the people. You need to make your own aura. You want to do something different.
Of course.
Yes, guys. The way my prime minister speak, nobody can speak like you. He always said, मेरे भाई और बहनों. Yes.
Oh, one more time.
मेरे भाई और बहनों, मैं यहाँ अपने लिए नहीं आया हूँ. So, if you are speaking the way, you believe yourself, you can do everything. You have capability, you have everything. Don't try to impress the people.
Yeah, excuse me. Yeah.
You try to impact the people. Everybody is impressing the people. That's why somebody is not famous. You always try to impact the people. If you are able to impact the people, it means you have something. You have to become famous. That's all about from myself.
एक लाइन बोल दीजिए. So, ladies and gentlemen, be actor of your character.
Be actor your character. Sorry.
Be actor of your character.
Be actor of your character.
But
Don't
be villain
be villain
of your character.
of your character.
Otherwise, you will become tractor
Tractor
without
without
oil,
oil,
tire,
tire,
trolley.
trolley.
My goodness. You know why I use this tractor and this kind of thing? Because a tractor always carries the things. So if you become good tractor, so you can carry people along with you. So you will become tractor without oil, without tire, without trolley if you do not have good character. So have good character so that you can be a good tractor to carry people along with you. Right?